This video is going to show you how to use ChatGPT, artificial intelligence, to work with races paragraph and create some exemplar model paragraphs to use with your students. So this is a AI that allows you to do something like, let's say I want to write racist paragraph on a specific topic. Okay, sometimes it doesn't copy well, but we're going to try it. Right, so I'm going to say, write a racist paragraph on the topic of making a peanut butter sandwich. Okay, and it will make a paragraph for me. Now, what I didn't do is I can now say, label each part of the paragraph that has the races sentence. Um, and then, as it does that, I can also say revise the paragraph so that it meets a level 4 on this middle school rubric. And then I can go to the writing rubric for middle school. I can copy it. I can put it in here and I can ask it to revise it so that it meets it. And I can say, explain how it meets each section of the rubric. And it'll explain how it does it. It gives you examples from the paragraph. And then I can go even further and I can say, for a, let's say, revise so that I have 4 examples of the paragraph, one at each level of the rubric. And I'll be more clear. I want students to see what a 1 looks like, and a 2, and a 3, and a 4. Each paragraph explain why it gets that score. Okay? And so it'll give me the paragraph of a level 1 and it'll explain the score. Now you can use your own rubric if you'd like and just copy and paste it right in there. And so if I want, let's say I want model sentences, mentor sentences, I can say, write a paragraph about making a peanut butter sandwich. I could say, include and label a simple sentence, a compound sentence, a prepositional phrase, a verbal phrase, a compound complex, right? And it'll make that for me too. So I can use these. I know you do some great stuff with models, and if you want them to practice identifying sentences, you can do that as well. And then if I want to make, you can turn this paragraph I can have them turn this paragraph into a table with each sentence being an example of the type of sentence, right? That's kind of like my answer key. Um, so there's all kinds of different ways that you can play with this to create examples and models for your students. And if you want, by the way, I could say, let's just try this one. Give me examples of famous sentences that have a that start with a prepositional phrase. Let's just try that if we're trying to teach that. See, in the beginning, the world was created. These are great sentences, right? Now use, now give examples of famous sentences with compound complex structure. That seems pretty complicated. There's no way it'll find examples of that. Okay. It's this cite where these are from. Because I want to see, I do like it when it's okay. Okay, it made these up. That's fine. Um, but these are different ways people have used these types of sentences. Okay, so you can play with that. So I hope this was helpful, and I look forward to following up on my next visit.